Hello students, today we are going to study the second part of the lesson, The Alchemy of Nature, page number 39. I have already told you, for your convenience and even ours, I have divided the lesson into two parts. So the first part, page number 38, in the previous video we have studied. Alchemy of Nature. This lesson in the previous video we had begun with the beautiful poem by William Blake, and we have studied some examples of nature such as water, how it works and gives the shape to the rock. Hibiscus flower comes, blooms for one day, and by evening it meets to the earth. In the same way, one more example, a small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. All these examples we have studied in the previous video, which we can learn as a lesson. Being a human being, it is a must to learn the lesson from the nature. Let us see the next part, page number 39. We saw a tree. Before that, my dear students, I have given some meanings. You have to write it down in the notebook as an assignment. Let me read it. Colossal, huge. Chapter was over means dead. Conviction means strong, firm belief. Lugging means pulling with great difficulty. Perseverance means constant efforts in spite of obstacle. Consistence means steady, unhindered, without disturbance. Alchemy means mysterious power or magic that can change things. Now let us begin the lesson, page number 39. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter month. We thought its chapter was over, but 3 months passed. Spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again. When we look at the tree, especially in the month of cold winter, it bare of all leaves. It loses the leaves, and we think that the chapter of the tree was over, but after 3 months passed, spring set in and tree comes back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds and life. What if we too had the conviction? Conviction means strong, firm belief that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever. Remember, this too shall pass. This example, the example of bare of all leaves by the tree and comes again with the green majesty and during the season of spring, this gives an example that whatever the problems comes in our life, that is not permanent. It is going to go away. It's going to wash away. But we should have a strong belief. We have to believe that. One more example. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant size. We have seen, sometimes we see the children carrying group of ants, or the ants comes together and they work together. So we saw an army of ants. Here, army of ants, collective noun, used. Lugging a fly. Lugging means pulling with the great difficulty. Why? Why the ants feel difficulty to pull the heavy things? Because ants are very tiny. Now they are lugging a fly because the fly was 10 times the ant size. Still they are lugging and taking to the destination. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on frail feelers. Frail feeler means they have a tube like in front of the mouth. And with the help of that, they lugged the fly to the particular destination and carried it to quite a distance, long distance they will carry. This shows the unity of ants, how they united. It is said that united we stand and divided we fall. Always there should be unity. When you have a unity, nobody can lose, nobody can defeat you. So the teamwork, it shows the teamwork and perseverance, hard work were very impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? Are we going to do that? That is the question. Now, spider webs are very delicate, yet they are very strong. A rainbow colors the entire sky. Oysters take in a grain of sand and then open up with the pearl. Just see, look at the alchemy of nature. Look at the nature's creation. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Huge sky. There is no end. And innumerable stars shine. Clouds take new shapes. Cloud changes their shapes with every passing moment. You see, look at the cloud. When they move, it changes its shapes. Sometimes we feel that animal shape like, tree shape like, star shape like, something else. The wind makes tree dance with unhindered passion. Unhindered means without any disturbance. The wind makes trees dance. Water without hint of ego. There is no ego. See, water is very gentle. Rock is very hard. But still, water works continuously, very hard to give shape to the rocks. But we people, we human beings have ego. Always see, we feel that I am, I. This I is a ego. It kills us. So, changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. Sometimes we don't feel like, we don't obey, we don't listen. That ego we have, why should I listen? Why should I obey? Why should I listen the words of others? Why? There's me, I is the ego. And that kills, or that makes the human beings to stay behind. When we see a caterpillar turn into a butterfly, a flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. This is the experience, my dear students. So many things we can learn from the nature. Nature is a nurture, nature is a teacher. We go outside for the sake of relax. We say, I want to go out somewhere in the open air to relax myself. Why? We can learn so many things from nature. Nature gives us everything without any expectation from us. We touch it and become gold ourselves. When we go to the nature, we feel happy. It's said that we touch the nature and we become gold ourselves. But here, this lesson is not a lesson to complete the syllabus or write paper for board. This is an inspirational. We can learn so many things from nature. And it's our duty, our responsibility to protect, to save the nature. Because nature is a teacher. Nature is a nurtures. It nurtures us. It soothes us. It commands us. It enlightens us. So, my dear students, this lesson is very beautiful. We can learn so many things with the plenty of examples they have given. Read the lesson once again and understand the intention behind the lesson. So, I have given some assignment. You have to go through the assignment carefully. When you solve the assignment, my dear students, you can refer page number 41 for question number 7 and page number 38 and 39. When we come back to the school, let us take this lesson once again. Thank you and have a nice day.